Aristotle and Plato pondered deep questions such as, is the universe real? What happens when we die? And why is there something and not nothing? We may never know the answer to these questions. So let's focus on another important question that we do know the answer to, like, who is the best water softener company? You might think we're biased, but let's let the facts speak for themselves. Intermountain Soft Water has been building, servicing, and selling water softener and specialty water equipment for over 53 years. All of our water systems are custom built for Utah water conditions. In the state of Utah, water temperatures are extremely cold. We experience abnormal pressure and pressure surges. Average hardness levels registered 3 to 4 times harder than the national average. National brand water softeners typically struggle in these environments. In addition, Utah is a drought-conditioned state. Since most of our water comes from collected reservoirs and lakes, chlorine is a vital resource used in disinfecting our water supplies. Unfortunately, chlorine is not healthy for the human body. Some have even said it is considered a cheap, efficient killer. Even though chlorine may harm our bodies, it has value in protecting us from the bugs and bacteria that may cause severe health concerns. In addition to all this, chlorine breaks down the resin inside water softeners. Water treatment products from Intermountain Soft Water combat these issues and provide high-quality clean water to your home and family. Only the highest-end products and components are used with our water treatment systems, and all come with a limited lifetime warranty. Hundreds of thousands of people have chosen Intermountain Soft Water over the years. Maybe it's because of our fantastic service record, or because of our reputation of being the experts in the field. Either way, we hope you choose us for all your water treatment needs. Call in today to schedule a service or free in-home site analysis.